So I know I want to tell you why I go to Somalian peoples, why I now go to Pakistani peoples. Yes, this is the also big reason why. Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. Good evening. How are you all? Hope you are fine. So today we are back. Yes. Another video. Not with Anaya. Not every time with Anaya. Another video, Anaya. You are not Anaya.
I'm Anaya.
You are my. You are my cat.
I'm Lily.
You are not Lily. Okay. Okay, so today we are back with another video. So today I want to tell you, all of you people, that why I come on YouTube. Yes, I want to tell you my YouTube journey. So please watch this video and how I start my YouTube and what is the reason that I come in YouTube. Yes. So watch until end. So today I share with you my story, my YouTube journey, how I come. So now tell.
Even I don't know.
Yes, even she don't know. So first of all of you know that like I am a single mother. Like I stay with Anaya stay with me. We are both stay together. We are very happy in our life, alhamdulillah. So why I start YouTube? Actually, my sister, she suggested me this. She said that you must do something like this. First I start TikTok.
Anaya 50.
Yes, our TikTok ID I mention here. Okay, first I start TikTok, then I now come on TikTok because I feel too much shy. Oh no, what people say, I feel like this. Then I just make video for Anaya. But then my sister forced me, no, must YouTube. Then I say, okay, first I make one day YouTube video. Oh my god, that day still I remember. Even I don't know how to make video, how to edit, how to do anything. So funny. Then I sent that video to my brother-in-law. Even he edit, even I don't know how to post. So then I make TikTok, YouTube first video. Then I post. After that, I now post 10-20 days. I feel so much shy. Oh, people say this. I always thinking about people. So then, but after like 10 to 20 days, I again post video. And then I now have subscribers, no views, no like this. Then I feel so bad. Of course, when you try something but you didn't get anything, then you feel bad. So I feel bad. I say, okay, I stop this like this. So I know I want to tell you why I go to Somalian peoples, why I now go to Pakistani peoples. Yes, this is the also big reason why Somalians not Pakistani, because I am Pakistani. So why I go there? So here in Malaysia, you know any Pakistani?
Yeah.
Who?
Who is?
So we don't know here any Pakistani YouTuber. I don't know any Pakistani YouTuber. Just you know me. We don't know here any Pakistani YouTuber, and internet I contact with them who live in Pakistan, but I didn't get reply, I didn't get good notice like from them, so I leave them because I just try one time. If no one give me response, then I leave them. So after that, here is some my friends, because I'm staying with Somalians, so she helped me to meet the Somalian YouTuber. When I meet them, then they help me. So they help me. So like this, I stand in YouTube. Even first time when I went to Asad Hachio, he gave my shout out. Then after that, he said to me that Nana, please check your subscriber.
I remember that day when we got 1K, how much
Yes.
happy?
Oh my God. He said to me, Nana, please check your subscribers. Even I don't want to open my YouTube. I say no, with happiness I died. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. Allah gave me too much success. Alhamdulillah. I start YouTube in February and I went to Sadhaj in April. From April to mashallah now it's October. I am standing here in front of you.
52.
Alhamdulillah. Even I can't imagine like this that this happened with me, because I always think no, my YouTube never success, my YouTube never success like this. So like this I go by step. First TikTok, then I know come on TikTok because I feel too much shy. Then I start YouTube, then I say okay, when I YouTube I know come and I mostly come. But then I get courage, no, this because of for best for my daughter future. So this YouTube for my Anaya. Yes, I am, because this is like the one part of like her life, that if something happened to me, like if I am not with her,
Then I got YouTube.
yes, then she's so happy. My mama died.
Then I want to do my YouTube, but even I don't know how to edit.
You know your mama died? I died. She too much. That's why because she no go to anyone that please give me something or help me. Inshallah she have her own that she can earn. She can do herself everything. Inshallah, my daughter get more success. I want to see her top. Inshallah. And also I want to see her studies in top, also every field of life. Yes, inshallah. So I know Allah also accept my prayers, because I do too much hard work for her future. Inshallah. Today why I shared with you this, I want to share this because I want that there is many like ladies like me, okay, many mothers, many single mothers who has husband sometimes died, sometimes they give divorce, sometimes they do second marriage, like this they leave their wives. So sometimes the girls like who have faced these problems, they don't get too much courage, they depress too much and they want to depend on others. So this time I want to tell you, if something happened with you in your life like this, please don't stop, move forward. Inshallah, move on. Inshallah, Allah will help you, because when you decide that this I want to do for my future and this I want to do for my children, then Allah must help you. Yes. So this just I want to share with my other friends, my sisters who is single mothers. Please don't be lost your hope, and every time be happy, enjoy your life. Yes, don't focus on others, don't listen to others. Also I have like many cases, like I listen in Pakistan also, that husband leave, husband got other married, they have children, they have this, this life no stop. When someone go, life no stop. So inshallah, when you have your heart is clean, then Allah will help you. I want to give courage that ladies who is broken heart or like this. So move forward. Inshallah, Allah will help you. So like me, before every time I think, oh, what they say, what these people say, every time I think like this. But no, I know think. Yes, no, because it's my life, right? It's my life, it's my daughter life. I want to focus on her life, because my life I've already spent half, okay? So no, I want to focus on her life, her better future. So that's why I don't want to notice anyone, anything. I just want to focus on our life. I want to give Anaya good life, good future, inshallah. If people stay with me like this, then inshallah I will give her good future, good life, inshallah. So this is my message to all of my friends who live Pakistan, who live Malaysia, who live Somalia, who live Kenya,
Canada.
all where you are
Who lives
watching
in my
me.
house?
Who live in my house, who is watching me. This message for all my sisters, my friends. Yes, be strong and be positive and Allah ji. Okay, and we love you and we respect, so give us your support like this, because we need your support and we like your support also. So also give me your review on this video. No,
Please
your
like
turn.